because it's very, very nice and strong, and it looks so smooth. Anyway, guys, watch this video as we're gonna update you on. Let's just see the blessings in the village. Imagine this, just a whole fruits. These are oranges, ripe oranges. Achomava live in the village. Someone, you wake up in the morning and this is the first image that you find at your place. That's my grandparents' house. It's now remaining there because no one lives in that place. Chicks can run away. But this blanket to be so sharp because where we are going right now, we are going for work. So it will be more sharper than this. Morning begins in a very different way. Guys, it's raining. Now we are trying to catch up, at least to make some drainage here that's gonna guide the flood that's coming up from this side. So that's why you can see we are trying to create some way here. It's really destroying our farm. That's why. Also the house. And also the house. That's why we are trying to be a bit creative enough to give it a nice drainage, a nice way. So it should be done that way. From that side, guys, do you see the end there? Along the fence to the other end. It's raining. We need to run away from here. Let me release the goat. You know, goats really fear rain. That's why you feel those ones are really crying. I don't know where their owner is. Let me release this to go and at least chill in the house. Come here. Oh, guys, it's raining on me. Vidala. This goat does not know it's being rained on. Look at me. Hello, beautiful family. Good morning from East Africa, Kenya. Right here is Moses. From Moses to M YouTube channel. Welcome back to this channel and happy moment, happy hour. Thank you very much for always turning out with us to watch our videos, to subscribe and also to like. May God bless you, and we really love you as Moses family. If you're a new member stopping over to watch by today, kindly let us know. My name is Moses, and kindly note down on the comment and let us know what your first experience on our YouTube channel, and most welcome. We are grateful and thankful. Thank you very much for always taking your time to watch our videos. Anyway, it's a chilly morning. We are just right here to survey our farms. Every morning when you wake up, guys, what we usually do at first is to wake up and to start doing some survey. So guys, that's how it is. This Modesta here, she's also in the farm. I love how this our fruit is really growing super better. And Modesta is in the farm. Yeah. There's a flood that drains here, guys, in our farm. And this was sometimes worrying us because yes, we check on the beginning of this video, we are trying to put some drainage over there so that it doesn't interfere with our farm, but it's still a lot here. We'll have to do what's called we love to do what's called, how do we call it, landscaping. Then we find a way for that flood. Oh, Modesta, say hello. Okay, say hello. I'm not stepping on the vegetable. Modesta is so harsh because it thinks I'm stepping on the vegetable. No vegetable here. Hello. It's a chilly morning, guys, and every person should greet each other. Just see, guys, how this flood comes. And we have plenty vegetable. Our vegetables have started coming up. This is my effort. I'm the one who has been doing a lot of planting vegetables in the farm. In department of vegetable is me working. No, that's not will kill me in the farm, in vegetable farm. Anyway, guys, this is how it is. Mamiania, kaduang seriously, treat well. This place is so big. This area, guys, we have just planted purely kales. Do you see them? And they are coming out so well. And in the next few days, we're gonna have plenty kales in our farm. See how banana is almost giving back. It is a human being. See, guys, do you see what our banana is doing right here? It's bringing out the fruit soon. And mom, I don't know. This chili does not fade away since it started producing. I don't know which type is this, but anyway, that's how it is. Guys, this up. Let me get out, man. Okay, sorry. Modesta is really making noise that I'm working in the farm. But what about you? Get out in the farm. Farm. Modesta is quarreling. We are working in the farm. Sorry. Okay, sorry. So right here we are leaving home officially. There is a project that we are yet to start doing now. That's as I told you on my, I don't know when was that, like it has gone for some few days, that you are trying to plant a lot of trees around. Especially in this area we have planted several trees and we are still planning to add more. So there's a place that you are having in the forest that also needs tree seedlings. So we are going there, guys, right now. I want to go with Patrick to assist me make the holes, and then later we're going to plant trees at that point. You know, guys, trees, if you allow a lot of trees in my area, planting a lot of trees is very, very important. It also counts as wealth. Like my dad has got a lot of trees, but those ones belongs to him, you know. So sometimes it gives me a lot of problems. Just see, all these are trees that belongs to my daddy, you see. So he gave me a very little portion where I can also plant my trees in the forest. And I'm yet to show you today on this video how things are going, guys. And if you are watching for the first time, kindly keep on subscribing, guys, to this channel. Like the video, give a comment, you know, yeah, and all, because that's the most thing that we really beg for each and every moment. We are on our way to the forest right now to start that kind of project. So guys, right now in the morning this way. This Chije is coming. I don't know what Chije wants. What I want is a farm. So guys, that's how it is. He came to ask me for something, but very unfortunate that right now I don't have that. You know, in the village we used to borrow things, and when he's asking me about that, what I need, I am able to find it right now. So you call me WOWUOR. WOWUOR. I got kachacha. Ni kakanya pedo yen moko. Yuta no better maber. No better maber. Kiona. Adhi mana malo kan dakika matin to duo. Nango. Ber moro. Pura rit. That's my uncle, guys. He's living for people are calling me today. But anyway, guys, this is how it is in the village. You know, over here, if you're a good person, everybody will wish to greet you and have a moment with you. So we are here with Patrick, guys. we are heading. These are some of the seedlings that we remained the other day because I started doing it like last week. So we are this kind of tree we are planting. Let me see this. See this one? So we're gonna plant such kind of trees and seedlings. So let me rush there. We do it very early morning. At least once we make the hole, we make the site ready. We'll now have to find these seedlings. We don't have them ready because you have to buy them. So we're gonna just want to make the area, and when we get money, we'll buy the seedlings, then we start planting them. That's how we usually do it. Tichionad. Tupa ere. To tupa ere. Tupani. This means Aaron, guys, is a great farmer over here in the village, running with goats and cows and everything. Dongada pako bait. Yes. Okay. So guys, that's how it is. Let me try and catch up with time. We do it. Anyway, stay tuned, guys, as you also enjoy this super wonderful village view. Guys, just see the blessings in the village. Imagine this, just a whole fruits. These are oranges, ripe oranges. Achio live in the village. Someone, you wake up in the morning and this is the first image that you find at your place. Konyua gitupa cha. Tupa. 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 Very wonderful. They just live everything in the village. We also have some plants of this kind of oranges. It does not germinate so fast. It takes time. But when it does, it looks so nice. That's how it is. This Patrick, we are going to work today because they closed yesterday. And it's always good to do something. Kautupacha. It's always good to do some work. We didn't grill in that position whereby you just waste time, no. But we do some good things. And I used to tell him, bro, if you went somewhere, try and do something. Try and leave a legacy in that place where you will be. At least people will live to remember. It's Patrick who did this and this and this. And that's when you're gonna make your life also better. I'm planning to visit my friend Masubo very soon in Nyabuansi, because there are some good friends whom I know. I need to visit them again. Look how the clouds look super cool. When you ask me, Moses, why do you love the life in the village? I'll let you know that this real nature makes me feel in love with the life in the village. That's my grandparents' house. It's now remaining there because no one lives in that place. Chicks can run away. But this place is super cool, guys. When you come over, these are the places we'll have to go for nature walk. And again, I've been willing to have a good plan of this with this place, like doing some good, nice project. Like it be a historical site. I wanna make different things. If you get a chance, I build what's called, how do we call them? Like Royal Kim has built a very nice cabin. I'd love to come and build it over here because of the coolest place. Wonderful village life, guys. Stay tuned and keep on subscribing. Patrick is making our panga to be so sharp because where we are going right now, we are going for work. So it will be more sharper than this. Morning begins in a very different way. And if you're watching this video from every part of the world, know that we really love you. I was born and I found this granary right here. and it has been here for a lot of years. I don't know, since 1990s, but it has been here. My love is what makes me happy. It's very, very strong, and it does not even shake. But what if it does not being taken good care of? Do you think it will one day fall down? It might fall down because it might fall down anytime, because once there's no anything that's gonna make it strong, then it will be. But I love it because when we used to grow up, these things were very many in the village. But current situation of the current state, they are no longer there. Like in my area, we have only this one. I've been thinking, why should I go and maintain it to last for long and long and long? At least it gives us clear remembrance about what's happening. But I know and I believe that it will be there for long. Anyway, how many people haven't get close to the granaries? This is one of them in my grandparents' place, and it brings me some real traditional era on what was happening back then. The granaries were used to keep cereals like maize, sorghum, millet, and other kind of foods. Nowadays, you'll never find anyone keeping maize outside, like they build the granaries. But nowadays, people build what's called a store inside the rooms. I don't know what's happening with this current era. Is it insecurity? Is it because of theft? Or what's happening? Let me know down on the comment about this real life in the Africa. There's something here. Do you see, guys, this one? How many people know about this? This one, how do we call it? The skin of a sheep. I put this one here days back to dry up. That day we slaughtered, during Christmas Day, we have to slaughter a sheep as we were celebrating as a family. So I said, no, let me keep this one. I'll one day remember. And a lot of people use this kind of skin to make different types of gadgets. Traditionally, or long time ago, they used to make the drums. They used to make even the mat where people can sleep. Some do make even clothes, because they tell us long time ago, traditionally, these were the kind of clothes that people used to put on. Like this one is now dried up. This one is now dried up. So at this situation, it can be used to make a lot and different things, because it's very, very nice and strong, and it looks so smooth. Anyway, guys, watch this video as we're gonna update you on further updates. Now heading to plant trees in the forest. Let me go forget about history and now live. Save. Guys, we are already in the forest, and now we wanna climb this mountain up there. Already I'm feeling tired, but no option, we must go. This way we are going to plant trees, because if you check around, you'll see a lot of trees, and this one belongs to individuals. So I also want to plant mine, not to go without. While people are enjoying their harvesting, me, I'll have nothing to harvest. So this how it is, guys. Big forest, in the big forest. Wow. Heavy to climb. Yung kata kurang ada mana method nemo dego. Hey guys, it's a whole forest, a whole mountain. We are finally here, guys. And now, I want to show the tree that I planted the other day. Wow. It's like someone came here and destroyed my trees, man. Guys, they are right here. This is just one. I think we need to support them to stand. But don't step on those trees. They are right here now. Let me at least put this to support this one. Yeah, we planted 1, 2. This one I may need to plant some days ago along this line here. Why are they bending down, man? Did someone come here and walk over here? So guys, I've planted some trees here. This is just right beginning project that you wanna start. It should begin from down here, going up there, you know. It's not that big person, but it's just a small person. So right now what we wanna do today is digging the holes, and then we will wait. If we get money, we are going to buy seedlings. I think this place will love to accommodate more than 300 seedlings. Yeah, roughly 300 seedlings, roughly. And one, if you find a good person, will give you at only 5 Kenya shillings. And if you find a bad person, will charge you 10 shillings. So 10 times 200. That's how many, Patu? That's 2,000 Kenya shillings. That's like $20 only. But so guys, what I'll do is I'll have to plant them step by step. Whenever I get little, I buy, I come plant. That's what I want to do step by step until we will finish it up. So this way I want to clear, guys, and then we dig the holes. Yeah, just that, guys. So anyway, stay tuned. This is what we are going to do during the holiday. I don't know when the holiday will end. We'll be finished with everything or what will happen. Yeah, guys, projects coming up. The other time, ma'am, you told me Moses plant a lot of trees, and that's what I'm doing over here now. Planting several trees. Yeah, you know, there's a time that when it reach these trees, you can even harvest and sell them, and you'll have money. So it's a good project. So this one should be supported this way. I think this should be done to all of them because they are all down today. Yeah, it should be done this way. Then we tie them along. It's okay, guys. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, share. Don't forget to comment. My name is Moses from Moses to M East Africa. Guys, that's Patrick right there. I'm also right here setting the camera to continue with my work. So, no joke. Work, man. Anytime. You take different time. It will get him, man. Where are you going to get? Where are you going to get? Yeah, go. What are you doing? Huh? Koira de karango. Huh? Just balance your time. Along the same. Bora tu ingeni ya. Book chako resa hadi. Aya, mago kini go itimo sa hadi kaka kwa mwati imoni kibia bol sa hadi. Kise balance. Unge noma ba. Dia de dit. Kore ngeni kaka musa boro lo tumo. Seti machela rio. Huh? Kaya go bo, ya go be kirengo ko seti mona. Yeah, boy, you know. Man, that's where. That's where to take. That's where here. More money. That's where to take. Ani man. No. Ini na somo no non kickball. Aroma, to record. Yes, guys, this is what we are trying to do. Clearing the bushes, also digging the holes at the same time, guys. I will be glad to update you in the next few years, few months. Our project will be